as far as we are concerned, Department of Environment, till this minute, no permission has been granted by us to Sunburn. The Environment Protection Act permits the state government to give a relaxation up to midnight on 15 days in the year. Takes 15 days in the year, and vis-a-vis the month of December, from 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th and 31st. Functions can be held till 12 p.m. in the night. Why am I wanting to clarify? Because the impression is being created that this permission has been given specifically to Sunburn. I am again repeating, till this minute, no permission has been given by the Environment Department.
Which permission they are required to take?
I do not know. I only know regarding Environment Department, we have given no permission till this minute. Next point is any function that is held during the dates I had mentioned earlier, 24th December to 31st December. The functions can go on till midnight.
Is it function or only sound, music? Function can go after that also?
Well, we are talking about sound. We are talking about sound. So I don't know if you still require a clarification. If you want a clarification, I will clarify. Sound till 12 o'clock.
Okay. So now even CM said today, government is going till 10 o'clock. So
No, I'm coming to it. Our permission is secondary to the permission being granted by Tourism Department. So if the Tourism Department grants a permission till 8 p.m, we abide by it. If they give permission till 10 p.m, we will stand by it. Whatever their permission states, we will abide by that permission.
So it depends on Tourism Department.
Because they are the licensing authority.
Now, High Court has ordered some committee to look into this matter.
So the committee has been formed yesterday by the Chief Secretary.
So the committee will give permission.
Committee doesn't give permission. I think there's something amiss in whatever you are saying. The High Court has directed the committee to monitor. High Court has not given powers to given powers of the government to that committee.
Any other question?
Permission they ask permission after 10.
We can't contradict the Tourism Department permission. Tourism Department permission is the main permission.